I have many different types of different lures in my boxes, but I actually never had insects. And just recently I found a really nice copies of live insects, and they are so beautiful, so I decided to get them to try, because I love using and testing some unusual cool lures, and here is one of them. Look at this beauty. It's like a real beetle. Look closer. There are more different types of hooks. This is treble, this is single, different colors, and even different sizes. Oops. It's a bigger, look at this, it's exact copy, an exact copy. And the biggest one I've got, this is a nice decent size, look at this. I'm going to try them today just to look how they work, and I'm going to try to film them underwater because I want to see how they act, and I would like to show that to you. And if you like them, the link is in the description below to the manufacturer. I don't know, will I try to do fishing today or not? And first of all, because a fish splashed over there, perch, I think. Because first of all, we don't have an island chub, and they were designed mostly for chub. But I believe different predatory fish also should like them, like perch, asp, bass. Definitely, we have no bass, no asp in Ireland, but I believe I will catch and perch and pike with these lures, if not today, on some different day, and today some filming underwater to see how they act. Yes, pike eat beetles. And it's not bad pike. Okay, not that big. And a water beetle. My first pike. I said I'm going to try, yeah. Here it is. Look at that. Lovely. Oops, 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 oops. I don't want to lift, but I want to show you. Come on. Sorry. Second cast. And I get pike on a water beetle. Look at that. Yeah, pike eat beetles. Come on. Okay, thank you. Sorry. Go. I just filmed how it's acting, how it acts underwater. Second cast. And I got pike. Nice.